heart disease is the #1 killer in both the US and in Wyoming. One of the biggest risk factors for heart disease is high blood pressure. So about 1 in 3 people in the US do have high blood pressure, and many of them don't know it. There are no outward signs or symptoms, and really the only way to know is to check your blood pressure.
Wyoming is very vast. Not everybody has access to a doctor's office. What's the one way that we could get blood pressure cuffs into people's hands across the state? What's everywhere? Libraries. Being able to get blood pressure cuffs out there so that somebody can check their blood pressure gives people a way to get to know their numbers. It's really exciting that we have these kits in all 23 counties. So no matter where you are in Wyoming, you should be able to check out a blood pressure cuff kit.
As a library professional, I am super excited to be a part of this program. There's a library system in your county. Swing by and you can pick up one of these kits. Maybe you just want to drop in and use it. Maybe you want to check it out and take it home. But all of this is for free and you have this available.
So once you get your blood pressure cuff kit at home, there are really easy instructions that you can follow to take your blood pressure. And there's even a log that you can use to record your values so that you can then go back and share those with your doctor.
The kit is everything that you need to know about self-monitoring your blood pressure. Great information from the American Heart Association about getting to know what really is blood pressure. How is that measured? Why is it important? And then the things that can affect your blood pressure, like your diet and exercise. And then other educational information about programs throughout the state that are available if they want to know more.
It was an easy process. Never used one before. Easy instructions, big print, and they actually have a lot of community resources in the back of the book. I think if you have 5 or 10 minutes to come down, check out the kit, I think it's a great way for people to keep track of their health, and if they have problems, they can turn to their healthcare provider.
This is a great way for libraries to be able to help people in their communities. And I think that for our patrons that are checking this equipment out, they are finding value in that. I have found value in it. I'm hypertensive. I'm on blood pressure medication. Knowing my numbers is important to me, allows me to be healthy. It is incredible that our state is able to offer this to everybody no matter where you live. This is a great step in making a healthy Wyoming.
At the Wyoming Center on Aging, we want to work towards improving the health and well-being of all Wyomingites. I think we all need to know what our numbers are, and so this is a great way for anybody to be able to do that. Go to your local library, go check out a blood pressure cuff kit. For more information about our kits and to find a library nearest you, visit our website at the University of Wyoming Center on Aging.